Motorized blinds are the best thing ever, and I've been able to test out 2 different brands. So here is my experience. Greywind, fantastic customer service, arrived perfectly, the perfect fit. So this is an inside mount. It fit like a glove and it was customized to stop at the bottom of my window. It comes with a remote. It's fully customizable, so you can choose where you want it to start and stop. You can even run it through your smart devices if you want. This one is in the woven beige. It does darken the room a little bit, but the light still does filter through with this particular one. But they have endless options. The other brand I've been able to try out is Go Smart. So these ones are zebra blinds, which means there's 2 layers. So it's really nice to decide whether you want more light to filter through or if you want full privacy. It does still let the light shine through regardless because they are thin. Again, the fit was perfect. It's an inside mount. It fits like a glove. Really easy to install this one too. Easy to use just like the other one. They both charge with a USB cable and it's nice and long, so it's easy to charge every few months, probably almost every 6 months. You really don't have to charge these often. They have a lot of options as well. So both you can customize to whatever you want. They're easy to work with and I cannot recommend them enough.